Hi beautiful, it's Mila from Munchkin Time, and today for dinner we're making honey garlic chicken. It is super good. Boneless, skinless chicken thighs cooked in garlic honey sauce. It is super delicious. If you like recipes like this, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. Also, come follow me on Instagram at Munchkin Time Blog. First, remove all the fat from the chicken thighs. I like to use shears for that. Next, season chicken thighs with salt and pepper on both sides. In a large skillet, melt 2 tablespoons of butter. If you like recipes like this, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. Then add chicken thighs and brown on both sides for about 2 to 3 minutes. While chicken is cooking, let's chop some garlic. Finely chop 5 cloves of garlic. If you like recipes like this, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. After chicken is browned on both sides, transfer onto a plate. Melt 1 tablespoon of butter and add finely chopped garlic. Add 5 tablespoons of honey. And for seasoning, we're gonna have oregano, thyme, and basil. Give it a good stir and return chicken back into the skillet, coating it on both sides. Bake at 400 degrees for about 20 minutes. Flipping chicken thighs on the other side once. Garnish chicken thighs with parsley. Serve this chicken thighs with zucchini noodles or scalloped potatoes. Both of those recipes, you can find it here on YouTube. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Please subscribe to my channel if you enjoy recipes like this, and if you want printable recipe, visit munchkintime.com and search for honey garlic chicken. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you later. Bye.